Very warm, inviting, friendly, feel very comfortable.
Pleasant to be around. She's funny, very, very funny.
She's awesome. She's fun. She's good to get along with. She can talk to you about anything. She makes you feel very comfortable when you're in here. She jokes with you so that it kind of distracts you from what she's doing. Comfortable, painless.
I had a lot of friends come in, and everybody's coming back.
Most of us are very active. They don't really have the time to be knocked out, and they don't want their friends to know, so it's just this kind of thing. Just do it. If you're like, yeah, you look good, and they have no idea why. I call it the lunchtime lift. Come get it done. Walk in, walk out. It's my little secret house of beauty. So I've been doing the EuroThreads, done about 100 procedures now. You have instant results and not that traumatic to the face.
I was very excited about it. I kept bugging her when she was going to be able to do it. It was an easy procedure, and I've been very happy with it. It went quick, didn't bother me at all.
I really could see the difference. Really lifted my face.
I could tell a big difference.
And then you make a little baby hole. The thread is loaded onto the needle. And so as you put it in, pull the needle out, and you leave the thread in place. Insert it, and then you can redirect it in different places. And your body's like, oh, I can build collagen on it. It's wonderful. It's just like a little place for happiness to happen. And your body's like, oh, let's just come here and build some collagen. And you can see it, and it just keeps getting better and better. So as you put it in the different layers, the big ones are down into the fat, so it's more just for grabbing the tissue to pull it up. Then the little ones are more superficial, so as you're inserting it, so you can actually undermine the wrinkles, which is like you're plucking out little seams. Because if your wrinkles like tacked in, then you can actually get it to lift off, and then you leave the thread in place, and that's what fills it in. And it's your own body doing your own thing, which is nice. The threads are good because you don't really have to think a lot about it. Except for the larger ones, but you've got to watch the mouth movement. The little ones, you don't really have to change your life for them. They just wait for them to build collagen.
I saw immediate results, and then it's been about 3 months, and now I see it getting fuller again.
These dissolve, but they hang around long enough to do things, which is different from lasers and other things because you have the damage that you're creating with the laser that's going to create the collagen, but it's just a one-time hit. Whereas these hang out and stimulate the collagen for 6 months or longer. It's nice to have that continued growth and continued improvement.
I don't want to have a facelift. My goal is to keep coming to her so that I can look good and not have to get one when I get older.
There's all sorts of things with surgical procedures that are much more risky. This is done, I can do this in 15 minutes. Super fast. And numb it, there it is, boom, drop it in. You want to go for natural look, have good movement, and just have something that can be easily maintained.
They were immediate. I mean, I could tell as soon as she finished, yeah.
Because we're at that age where we want to keep on top of things, you know. I don't want to get old looking. It's better to start a little early and then keep on it.
Get them optimally gorgeous, keep them that way because it's just much easier to maintain.
Nobody said anything right away, but then like a couple of weeks later, yeah, the person goes, so did you change your makeup or what? I felt they were very natural, like going back to somewhat what I used to look like. I mean, I don't feel overdone at all.
I'm a very natural approach. I don't like people to know that you've done something. It's none of their business.
Well, I love her. I mean, she's just funny. I mean, I know she knows what she's doing, so we always have a good time.